Hello, I'm Michelle Sutton, and thank you for joining me for this month's North Oaks News. At North Oaks, our purpose is simple: to improve lives every time, every touch. And the month of March gives us meaningful opportunities to focus on prevention, partnership, and the people who make healthcare stronger for all. March is Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month, and it's an important reminder that screening truly saves lives. Here in Louisiana, colorectal cancer accounts for more than 9% of all new cancer diagnoses, and unfortunately, our state continues to have one of the highest colorectal cancer death rates in the country. Not something to be proud of. The good news is that colorectal cancer is one of the most preventable and treatable cancers when it's caught early. About 65% of Louisianians aged 45 and older are up to date on their screening, but that means more than a third of eligible adults still aren't getting screened. If you are 45 or older and have an additional risk factor, I encourage you to speak with a provider about the screening that's right for you. Early detection not only improves outcomes, but it brings peace of mind for families. We remain committed to expanding access to advancing diagnostic and endoscopic services right here at North Oaks, because life-saving prevention care should be close to home. March is also Women's History Month, a time to celebrate the women across our health system who lead, innovate, and provide exceptional care every day. Their dedication strengthens both our organization and our community. And speaking of women and families, we're thrilled to host our Baby Family Expo on March 21st right here on our North Oaks campus. Whether you're planning a pregnancy, expecting, parenting a newborn or a toddler, or exploring adoption or foster care, this event brings trusted resources into one place. You'll find vendor booths, childhood and family educational sessions, support services, and our Dad Zone, and guided tours of our labor and delivery suites. We hope to see you there. Visit our website for more details. And on March 30th, we celebrate National Doctors Day. I warmly invite you to join me in thanking a physician who has made a difference in your life. Behind every diagnosis and treatment plan is a doctor who has invested years of training and a lifetime of compassion to caring for others. That's what truly sets our physicians apart, is that they listen, explain, and support patients during some of the most vulnerable moments. You make our community healthier and stronger. As we recognize prevention, celebrate our caregivers, and expand access to care, one thing remains constant. Everything we do is guided by our mission to improve lives every time, every touch. Thank you for trusting North Oaks. We're honored to care for you and for our community.